Good morning, students. How are you? Today we discuss a very important topic. That one, mm, I give some clues. Can you guess it? The what I am today saying the topic is. It is the most important part of our body. It pumps the blood to various parts of the body, and also it stops working. We become alive. And also it makes sounds like lub dub. Can you guess? Yes, exactly. It is a heart, nothing but heart. Yes, very good. Today our most interesting topic is structure of the heart. Okay. Now, mm, first we see the location of the heart. The heart is present two in between the two lungs. That space is towards the left side. It is called the space, we call it as a mediastinum. It means the location of the heart is the present in between two lungs towards the left side, and it is the space it is called as a mediastinum. The size of the heart is the fist of our own hand for everybody. Shape. Next come to the shape of the heart. Shape of the heart is a pear shape. In the outline we also called as a triangular shape. Why we call it as a triangular shape? Because the anterior part is the broad and the posterior part is narrow or pointed. So it appears outlined like a triangular shape. Next one, the study of the heart is called cardiology. And who treats the heart diseases? The person we call as a cardiologist. It means he treats the diseases of the heart. We come to the external structure of the heart. It means heart contains external and internal structures. The external structure of the heart, first one, the pericardial membrane. The heart is covered by two layers of membrane is called pericardial membrane. In between these membranes, there is a fluid is present. Like in our body, some organs also contain covered by membrane, and also in between these membranes there is a fluid like lungs and also brain, etc. Likewise, in the heart also covered by a pericardial membrane, and the fluid which is present in between these membranes is called pericardial fluid. The function of the pericardial fluid is it mainly protects from the shocks and jerks. Heart is divided into four chambers externally by grooves. We already know that heart contains four chambers. It is mammalian heart contains four chambers.
The right side of the heart,
the upper are auricles, the lower ones are called
we also called as a impure blood. The left side of the heart, it contains it means it is the auricles and ventricles are filled with a oxygenated blood. It means pure blood.
The blood vessels found in the wall of the heart are called coronary vessels, which supply blood to the muscles of the heart. The walls of the ventricles are relatively thicker than arterial walls because these ventricles supply blood to the right ventricle supply blood to the lungs, and the left ventricle supply blood to the body parts. So these walls are thicker than the auricles. The right atrium is larger than the left atrium. The left ventricle is larger than the right ventricle. The rigid blood vessels are called arteries, which originates from the heart and supply blood to various organs in the body. The large artery is aorta. Smaller one is pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. The less rigid vessels are the veins which bring blood from all parts of the body. The right atrium collects blood from the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. The superior vena cava collects the blood from head and neck. The inferior vena cava, it collects the blood from hands and legs. The blood enter into the right atrium to right ventricle through a right auriculoventricular pore. These two, it means the right atrium and ventricle is separated by a septa. That one we called as a right auriculoventricular septa. The two atria and the two ventricles are separated from each other by muscular partitions called septa. The openings between atria and ventricles are guarded by valves. The valves present on right auricles and ventricular septa between right auricle and ventricle is called tricuspid valve. Likewise, the valve present on left auricle and ventricular septum between left auricle and ventricle is called bicuspid valve. It is also named as mitral valve. It means tricuspid means they having three half cusps, and bicuspid means they having two cusps. So we call it as a bicuspid, and they having three cusps. So we call it as a tricuspid valves. From left ventricle, systemic aorta is raised and it supply blood to all parts of the body, and valve present in the systemic aorta is called systemic valve. Likewise, from right ventricle, the pulmonary aorta is raised. The valve present in the pulmonary aorta is called pulmonary valve. It is about the structure of the heart. I repeat the main points of the heart is the location of the heart. We call mediastinum. The size of the heart is fist of our own hand, and the shape of the heart is a pear shape. And next one, the heart is covered by a membrane called pericardial membrane. The fluid is present in between these membranes is called pericardial fluid. And externally it is divided by grooves, that the heart is divided into 4 chambers. Each chambers are separated by internally by a septum. These septums are called, we call it as a auriculoventricular septums. It divides the auricles, we call as a auricular septum. Mainly they contains the valves we call auriculoventricular septum. The right side it contains, we call as a tricuspid valve. The left side, the auriculoventricular septum, it contains the valve we call as a bicuspid valve. The other name is a mitral valve. And also they having the another valve, that one systemic valve and pulmonary valve. The systemic valve arises from the left ventricle to the systemic aorta. The pulmonary valve is present in the pulmonary aorta. They contains the valves is mainly half crescent shaped or the half moon shaped. The function of the valve is they stop the blood into the backflow of the blood. It means they does not allow the blood into the backward direction. It is about the structure of the heart. Thank you.
మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.